Did you know that nearly half of Americans feel overwhelmed by investing? It's true. The complexity of financial markets, the jargon, and the sheer volume of information can be daunting. Many people find the world of finance intimidating. The fear of making the wrong investment decisions often holds them back. This is where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach investing. AI is changing the game by analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, identifying trends, and making predictions with incredible accuracy. It's making investing easier and more accessible than ever before. With AI, you don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Imagine having a personal financial advisor available 24/7. AI-powered tools can provide personalized advice based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. That's the power of AI. AI-powered tools simplify investing by automating complex processes and providing insights that were once only available to professionals. They take the guesswork out of building a portfolio. AI can suggest investment options that align with your financial objectives. These tools are user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind. They offer step-by-step guidance to help you make informed decisions. They break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand language, making it easier for anyone to grasp the basics of investing. This empowers you to make informed investment decisions with confidence. You can take control of your financial future. No more feeling lost or confused. AI is here to demystify the world of investing. AI is here to guide you every step of the way, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. Many people are hesitant to start investing. They worry about losing money. It's understandable. But here's the thing. Investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. And it doesn't have to be scary. AI tools address these fears head-on. They use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends. They assess your risk tolerance. This allows them to create personalized investment strategies. You don't need to be a financial expert. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Let's break down some basic investment options. First up, stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Stocks have the potential for high growth. Over time, the value of stocks can increase significantly, offering substantial returns to investors. But they also come with higher risk. The stock market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate widely. This means you could also face significant losses. Bonds are like loans. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to a government or a company. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest over a specified period. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks. They are considered safer investments because they provide more predictable returns and are less affected by market volatility. Mutual funds are baskets of stocks or bonds. They pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of assets, spreading out risk. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio with a single purchase. This diversification helps to manage risk by not putting all your eggs in one basket. The power of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is especially true in investing. Diversification is essential for minimizing risk. Here's why. If one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the blow. AI tools excel at diversification. They automatically spread your investments across different asset classes. This helps protect your portfolio from market volatility. AI to the rescue, personalized portfolios and automated investing. In today's fast-paced world, managing investments can be overwhelming. But thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, the process has become more accessible and efficient than ever before. AI-powered platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront are revolutionizing investing. These platforms leverage sophisticated algorithms to provide users with tailored investment strategies, ensuring that each portfolio is uniquely suited to individual needs and goals. These platforms make it incredibly easy to get started. With user-friendly interfaces and step-by-step guidance, even those new to investing can navigate the process with confidence. They ask you about your financial goals. By understanding what you aim to achieve, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or building an emergency fund, these platforms can craft a strategy that aligns with your aspirations. They determine your risk tolerance, This is crucial because it helps in balancing potential returns with the level of risk you're comfortable taking. The platforms use detailed questionnaires to gauge your risk appetite. Then, they create a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your needs. This means your investments are not just generic but are specifically designed to meet your unique financial situation and goals. But it gets even better. These platforms don't just set up your portfolio and leave it at that. These platforms automate your investments. This means they continuously monitor and adjust your portfolio to keep it aligned with your goals. This means they regularly buy and sell assets on your behalf. By doing so, they ensure that your portfolio remains optimized and takes advantage of market opportunities. They rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. This is essential for managing risk and ensuring that your investments stay on track. This saves you time and effort. Instead of constantly monitoring the markets and making adjustments yourself, you can rely on these platforms to do the heavy lifting. You can sit back and relax knowing your money is working hard for you. With automated investing, you gain peace of mind and the freedom to focus on other important aspects of your life. Empowering yourself. Financial education and continuous learning. While AI-powered platforms make investing more accessible and easier to manage, it's crucial to understand the basics of investing to make informed decisions. Many of these platforms offer educational resources to help you learn and grow as an investor. From articles and tutorials to webinars and interactive courses, these resources cover a wide range of topics, from the fundamentals of investing to more advanced strategies. By taking advantage of these educational tools, you can deepen your knowledge and become more confident in your investment choices. Continuous learning is essential in the ever-evolving world of finance. Staying informed about market trends, economic indicators, and new investment opportunities will help you make better decisions and optimize your portfolio. Additionally, engaging with online communities and forums can provide valuable insights and support from fellow investors. Remember, investing is a journey, and the more you learn along the way, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ups and downs of the market. Embrace the resources available to you and commit to ongoing education to maximize your financial success. Got questions about investing? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI-powered finance tips. Check out our playlist, AI and Finance, Revolutionizing Wealth, for the next steps in your investing journey. See you there.